She just tried to steal my camera. Watache. Nico. Shado. Here comes Nita, the camera stealer. That's Woha laying up on top of the platform. And Wea laying below. Wea. 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 I've got this big boy right by me here, Nico and Kenny. There's Tachi. There's Hoyle up on her house. Oh, she just went in her house. There's Woha laying upside down. Being upside down wolf. Nico, let me get your back end. He's a good boy. Look at those ears. Wolves have very heavily furred ears. Protects them from all kinds of things. Dirt, bugs, parasites. It's Nico and Woha. Their legs look so very long in the summer. When they have that thick, fluffy undercoat, it kind of takes away from their legs, the length of their legs. But they have very long legs, which makes it easier for them to hunt in the winter, in the snow. So do their large paws. They kind of serve like snowshoes. This is where Nita is hiding. She's inside the den. They come in here in the summer to escape the heat and bugs. Good place to take a nice cool nap. Nico is above me looking down now. Seeing what I'm doing. It's on top of the den. Here he comes. Oh, he's gonna go see Nita. No. Are you in the den? You're a good boy. He's a good boy in the den. I think he's sitting there, so I leave Nita alone. Hi, Chase. Hi, baby. Oh, look at her. She wants a belly rub. Yes, give her belly rubs. Can we film you while we're doing this? She gives you belly rubs. Oh, she's a good girl. She's a good girl. Oh, she is. She is. Look how pretty she is. Oh, she's pretty. This is a good-sized girl. Good-sized wolf girl. Yep. This is very up-close, personal video today. Sometimes it's hard to keep them at a distance. And you don't really want to when they want your attention. She's a good girl. She's got a hard job, huh? Being alpha of this pack, yeah. She's a good girl. She doesn't acquire as much attention from me as the other wolves do, so when she does want it, I always try to give her some. She loves having a belly rubbed on. She does. Oh, she's a good girl, Shaders. Trying to hold this camera and give her what she wants here. Oh, here comes Woha. Here she comes, but I'm paying attention to you. Don't worry. Hi, Wolves. Oh, sorry about that, kids. Okay. Shaders. Woo! Woo! What's she doing? Could see she's a big girl. They took some bark off a tree in here. I have no idea why. But they pretty much stripped the whole bottom of the tree, and we're going to have to remove it because it's too close to the fence, and if it does die, I don't want it falling on the fence. There's usually a reason they do things like this. They've done it twice in the 7 years they've been here, and one of the trees, it turned out, was diseased. Hi, Jado. Hi, girly. I can't film you when you're this close. It's Rose has. Pretty girl. What are you doing? She keeps dogging me because she wants me to rub her belly. She comes up and lays down. I take a few steps, she takes a few steps and lays down. Are you embarrassed? Shaders? She's a good girl. She's trying to creep closer. Come on. Do the belly rubs. We'll give her some belly rubs. Oh, yeah. Oh, she loves it. How big her paws are. She has some big paws. Those are big paws. Here's Swaya. Jado's hitting me. Pay attention to me. She's a good girl. Okay. I gotta go. Whoa. She closed the camera with her paw when I was getting up. Enough of that. Just pay attention to me. We're expecting visitors any moment. Coming all the way from the UK. This will be their third time they visited the wolves. This is ice cream treats from our visitors from the UK, Tony and Alma. It's their favorite summer treat. I think Nita's had 3 of them already. Number 4.